Hey guys, I'm Sherry and I am an independent designer with Chalk Couture. Today, instead of doing a live, I decided to record while I was making this. This transfer is the Gathered Together. It's another one of the kitchen collections that I've been doing. So I'm just showing here where I am fuzzing this. It's a brand new transfer, so it's really sticky. And I didn't want to distort it by having to pull too hard when I put it on there. The hardest part sometimes is placing it where you want it on your surface. And I am using a new surface to me. It is Chalk Couture. It is a Sylvie frame. I believe it's 12 by 18. And I looked this up. It's either a turnip or a radish, I believe. Either way, the color works. So you just saw me with the white. I just took my finger and dabbed it into the chalk paste and did a circular motion to blend that all in. That is raspberry something is the chalk paste I used. And I'm going to use eucalyptus for the leaves. Here I just pulled it up a little bit, and I didn't want it to dry on the screen since I'm doing more than one color. I probably could have done the whole thing fine, but that just makes sure. And if you lay it back down softly, you can correct any mistakes you had. Like I forgot a little bit on the side, so I fixed that. Then you want to seal the area around it that you pulled up, not what you just chalked, just the part that hasn't been chalked yet. Make sure there's no bubbles in there. And this is the eucalyptus for the leaves. And then I am just going to do bright white for the rest of it. You just simply squeegee it on, take off the excess, put it back in the jar. Here I'm going to peel that up again before I do the white. It's awesome, isn't it? Now I just placed the lid on there so it just doesn't go flat onto it. You could also dry that, just being careful not to get the heat onto the actual transfer, because that could ruin your transfer. And again, just squeegeeing on, take off the excess. And here I'm using the excess to do the words on the bottom. So what do you think, guys? Can you do this? It's easy. And I like the way you can choose your own colors. And that's it. I will post pictures later. Thanks for watching. Bye.